Alright, so in 36 what we have here is we have an ogive. Okay, so in this they want us to do a box plot, and then they want us to write a few sentences describing distributions, center, shape, spread, and outliers. Okay, so what do I need to do a box plot? I need the min, I need Q1, I need the median, I need Q3, and I need the max. So these are my cumulative percentages, and these are the values themselves. So my min is around 100, that's right here. My max is over here, so my max is, I don't know, let's say 400-ish. My median is going to be the 50th percentile, which would be right there. And that's just over 225, so I'm going to say 230. My Q1 is the 25th percentile. So I'm going to say that's around 200. Okay. And then Q3 would be the 75th percentile. That's the 70th, so this is the 75th. And I'm going to say that's around 260-ish. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test to see if there's any outliers here. So I'm going to do Q1 minus 1.5 times the IQR. So that's 200 minus 1.5 times, let's see, Q3 is 60, 260 minus 200, so 60. So that's 110. Okay. So we said that our min is around 100, so we might have some outliers in the lower end. And then Q3 plus 1.5 times the IQR, and that's 260 plus 1.5 times 60, so that's 90, that's 350. So it looks like we have some outliers in the upper end as well. Okay, so here we go. Alright, we got to make our scale, and we're going to go from 150 up to, I'm sorry, 100 up to 400. So I'm going to go 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, and then 400. So here's what I'm going to do. I don't know how many outliers there are, so I'm going to put a dot at 100. My fence will go as far as 110. My other fence will go as high as 350. Okay, so I'll put a fence there, another outlier there, and then Q1 and Q3 are 200 and 260, and the median is 230. Right, so okay, so there we go. So let's talk about the center. It has a median of 260. Okay, shape looks like it's, this fence is a little bit longer than that, so you could say it's roughly symmetric. Roughly symmetric. Or you could say it's slightly skewed right. Okay. Spread variation, since there's outliers, I'm going to use the IQR. So the IQR here, this is 200, this is 260, so that's 90. So IQR is 90. And unusual features, we have outliers both at the lower end and the upper end. We don't know how many there are because we can't tell from the ogive, but we do know that we have them. So we do have outliers at both